kill the myth quickly. Machine learning is not confusing because it is advanced. It is confusing because people explain it badly. Machine learning is just this: using past patterns to make better guesses faster. That's it. No maths for now, no jargons, no patterns, predictions, and better decisions. You already use this logic in real life. If a staff member is always late on Mondays, you start predicting a pattern. If customers buy more at month end, you plan around that pattern. If traffic is always bad in one route, you stop waiting to be surprised. That's the mindset. Think about a retail team in Nairobi. They look at past sales, seasonality, and product movement, and also customer behavior. Machine learning helps you answer a practical question based on what usually happens. What is most likely to happen next? Which product will move faster? Which customer may stop buying? Which branch might run low? What it is not is magic. It does not know the future. It does not replace judgment. It does not become useful just because someone says AI in the meeting. It is still only as good as patterns, data, and decisions around it. The real leadership value of machine learning is not that it sounds smart, is that it helps teams move from reacting late to spotting patterns earlier, from guessing emotionally to deciding more consistently, from what happened to what is likely next. So, next time someone says machine learning, do not panic. Ask one question. What pattern is it learning? Or what decision does that improve? Save this and send it to someone who thinks machine learning is just maths. Stop worshiping the model. Start understanding the pattern. Think training? Think Jake Michaels. Think training impact? Think Jake Michaels. Bye for now.